Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start inside Phonepe, open the app and sign in, then navigate to the gift cards section. Pick Google Play. This is the first actionable buy step. Choose denomination and confirm price, because Google Play codes are one-time redeemable and region-locked. Once chosen, authorize payment using UPI or saved card. Make sure the transaction shows completed. You do this now so you can retrieve the code immediately, preventing delays or failed orders. Once payment goes through, Phonepe displays the voucher or code on the success screen. Tap View Code to copy it. If you miss it, open Phonepe History, locate the transaction and select the voucher option. Receipts often include the 16-character code. Copy that code carefully. Spaces and hyphens may or may not be required. You do this because Google Play will reject any altered string, so accurate copying avoids errors when you redeem in the Play Store. You redeem inside Google Play. Open Menu, choose Redeem, paste the code exactly and hit Confirm. Google immediately applies credit if the code is valid. After redeeming, go to Payment Methods or Play Balance to verify funds. If not applied, check Region Settings and the transaction status in Phonepe. If the code shows invalid, make sure you copied it correctly, then contact Phonepe support with the transaction ID. They can reissue or refund if the voucher failed to deliver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.